Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to search a product by your budget in OLX. Okay, simply open your OLX application. Okay, and I'm doing with this mobile section. So go to mobile sections, and otherwise you can simply search iPhones. Okay, just iPhones. Then search. After getting the search result, you can see here there is an option budget. Tap on that. Then you can set budget like minimum 1000, maximum is 5000. Okay, then click on this apply. Then it will be arranged like under 1500 result. You can see here 4000, 3099, so 3500. In this way you can easily search product by your budget in uh, OLX application. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.